now we're gonna make this a really cool centerpiece. And so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna use my big Bowdabra, a regular Bowdabra, and my Bowdabra Bow Wire. So I'm gonna cut a piece of Bowdabra Bow Wire. I like to cut my wire longer than my Bowdabra so that when I put it down in here, it just tucks underneath and stays out of my way. So now I'm gonna take this beautiful gold ribbon and I'm just gonna do a little twist here. And we're gonna make some loops. This is a really pretty bow. This whole bow as a centerpiece for a New Year's Eve or a special occasion or a wedding, kind of has a multi-purpose use. So I'm just gonna make 4 loops here, and this is a wired ribbon. It's like 5 inches wide. And let's just kind of shape that out. Then I have these really pretty mesh pieces, and I'm just gonna lay these, I'm actually gonna do them going this way, and take another piece and put that going this way, and now put this just kind of going like this. And then I've already dovetailed the ends on here, but just in case you're not sure how to dovetail, I'm just gonna fold the ribbon in half, and I'm just gonna cut it just like that. And that's how we dovetail. And so now I'll fold the ribbon in half here. I'm just gonna lay these down into my bow. Just kind of lay this here. And I have one more piece just like this. Fold it in half. And again, I've already dovetailed the ends. Now I'm gonna take our Bowdabra Rhinestone Mesh. There's 8 pieces, 8 lines across. Just a really nice mesh. I love it for all different projects. And I'm just gonna give you an example here because I've already cut my pieces that I need over here. So all I do here is I'm just gonna cut, and I think they're like 20 inches. We have the material sizes, but as you see, we're gonna cut this. So we have 4 different of each of the different, of two strands of the mesh. So now I'm gonna grab my pre-cut mesh, just fold them in half, and just lay them in here. And take the same and do that with this one. Just kind of lay that in. And take my 3rd piece. So what's nice is the Bowdabra mesh, it's a rhinestone mesh. We have it in gold and silver. And it's really nice for holidays, any kind of like upscale decor. And then now I'm gonna take my blue ribbon, my wired blue with the green polka dots. I'm just gonna twist it, fold it back, and again, this is a wired ribbon. So I'm just gonna fold it and twist it. I'm not really worried about the size of my loops because these are all, whether they're exactly the same, because what's nice with a wired ribbon is when we go and finally shape it, it's gonna all be perfect. And now I'm just gonna take this, and on this one I'm not twisting, because what you noticed on all of these is I'm twisting so the wrong side of the ribbon is on the inside of my loop. So now I'm just gonna fold this back, scrunch it in, and I'm gonna take my wand and just push everything down. And sometimes you'll notice I pulled that apart a little bit. The more stuff you put in the Bowdabra, the more the towers go together. So it's okay to just pull it a little bit. And now I'm just gonna take my wire. The reason I folded it in half is here I have a slip knot. So I'm gonna hold this really tight, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm gonna just separate the ends, whoops, and bring it around to the back. Just tie a knot and tie another knot. And if I'm gonna tie this onto a wreath or something, then I would leave the wire. But I'm gonna put this into a beautiful vase, which you'll see in just a second in our final picture. So I'm just gonna finish shaping this. And with the wired ribbon, it's so easy to shape. I'm just gonna put this into my vase and look at how absolutely beautiful this is as a centerpiece.
Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.